If you ever wondered what a $4 million teardown looks like, total teardown for $4 million in Corona Del Mar, here it is. So why I'm showing you this property is because it is still an incredible opportunity if this is something that you are in the market for, because it is in prime location of Corona Del Mar. You've got Poppy, you've got 5 Crowns on the corner of PCH, which this street leads all the way down to the corner of Little Corona, then it turns to Big Corona. So you've got the beach access right there, walking distance. You're right on the way to the next areas. You've got Crystal Cove, then you've got Laguna Beach. So the location is absolutely incredible. This house, it goes from Poppy Avenue to Hazel. It's a 40-foot wide property. You have the ability to build a massive garage down on the Hazel side, where a lot of homes have their openings down there, where you've got the front of the street on Poppy. You can go up garage level or basement level. You can basically be a 3-story home with amazing views. So just trying to show you what sort of opportunities are out there. This home could be potentially a $9 million, $10 million turnaround. So again, it seems like an expensive teardown, but location is key. This location is phenomenal. Could be right for you. I work with a lot of developers and investors, and these are the type of properties that they are looking for, and potentially you are as well. Would love to help you figure out how to deal with your biggest asset, which is your home, or potentially your real estate portfolio, your investment portfolio, to then build into that asset and find properties that can cash flow for you. It's what I love to do. Would love to help serve you, figure out what to do with your home, how to get into the next one, or how to find the next property for you. So I'm Braden Flynn. All my info is down below. Would love to serve you. Reach out if you have any real estate related questions. Write them down below. Would love to either film videos around certain topics that you want to hear about, but this channel is for you. So again, I'll see you on the next one.